see major green across the board right now. Okay, couple of the longs that we got into on Friday, one of them being Goldman Sachs, stock is up nicely. It's about $4. The other one, McDonald's, actually unchanged. Okay, what does that tell you? It tells me that maybe McDonald's is more of a defensive play than anything else, right? Then we go down to Tiffany. Tiffany is up real nicely. Could use a little bit more of a pop, and then we'd probably look to exit our put position since we are short a put spread, and we have a really nice pop here. Market really still unchanged from where it was, I don't know, about 18 hours ago. Okay, Dow's up 400, S&Ps are up 40. Again, I am really suspect about this. Peter, you tell me, where do we stand on Tiffany? I think it's time to exit right now. Super wide market. If we were here on Friday, this thing would be down to 0 and we would keep all of our premium from our short put spread. But it's not Friday. Okay, time to manage.